In this lesson, we will see how we can easily update Power BI. Let us see. First, we'll open Power BI, go to Start, type Power BI, and here it is, Power BI Desktop. Click Open. Now here it is. You can go to About here, and under About, your current version is visible 2.129. Now we need to update it. Okay. Minimize, go to Start. On Google, type download Power BI and press Enter. Here it is, first link. Click on it, microsoft.com. Now here in always the current version will be visible. Select the language, click download. I'll click the first one and I'll click download. 544 MB, let's wait. We have downloaded it. I'll click on it, minimize. It's written close it. I'll close it. Retry. Next. You can select the language, then click next. Click next. I accept, click next, and here is the location. Now you can see it is showing the path. It is the same path which we already have. Here it is C drive, program files, and here it is Microsoft Power BI Desktop. Okay, the older version. Minimize and click next. Create a desktop shortcut. Okay, click install. Now let us see what will happen. Here you can see, guys, now we can click finish and it will launch it, or we can also click here to open it. Finish. Now you can see everything is the same. All my files are still visible here. Okay, so we updated it. I'll click about now, and it was 2.129. Okay, you can set the appearance also. I'll keep it as it is and click below. Okay, I'll click cross and it's 2.138. Okay, we updated it successfully. Click close. So everything is the same. You can see my recent files are also visible. So you can easily update it like this by downloading it from the official website itself. Guys, if you liked the video, you can directly go to our channel and support us by subscribing and joining. Click on the join button. Herein you can support us, okay, by clicking join here. And you can also go to any of our video, okay, herein click on the three dots and click thanks. You can also directly support us here. Okay, thank you for watching.